How long did it take you to get to that 200K a year mark? What does your like day to day look like to make that happen?
Yeah, so it was not a whole lot of socializing at all. And first year did 130,000 and whatnot. So I think we got to that 200K mark within 15 months is probably what it came out
Yeah.
to. Got that 200K mark. But yeah, day to day was I was still after the 13-week rotation, I decreased my hours to 30 hours and then I decreased it to 20 hours. And then I just decreased it one day at a time as I was able to replace my income with my own practice. So when I wasn't there, I was setting up workshops, seeing patients, learning sales, learning marketing. That's what Fridays and Saturdays were for as well. Sundays, I really did not go out. It's easy because a lot of people are like, well, you didn't have kids, so it was easy for you. I'm like, well, who says I didn't want to have kids? You know how hard it was to see my friends and back home, have kids and moving on with their lives. And here I'm like pretty much putting on pause to go in on something that I don't know works, right? So I went without that. I decided not to go that route. And so there was a sacrifice made with that and it wasn't easy. So, I was 26. Believe me, I wanted to be going out and fun. I like to have fun, go out on the weekends and spend time with friends. And I gave that up, right? So it really just went down to priorities and what you really want in life.